kami sa Naval Base, Fort Worth, Texas. Nag-iikot-ikot daw. Hulaan nyo kung anong ginawa namin dito. Aba na liig nung duck. Ay nako, lakad-lakad. Pinasyal ko yung asawa kong paralisado for now. Inoperahan. Alam mo, hindi naman to dagat ha. Like ito. Pero mayroong alon. Ano yan? Totoo yan? Ay, totoo. Sandali, panoorin natin. Tingnan mo. Lumipad na. Ayaw niya sa akin. Pinukunan ko ng video, biglang linayasan ako. Dito kami sa Naval Base, Fort Worth. Maglalakad-lakad. Kaso di man makalakad yung aking inoperahan na asawa. Andun sa sasakyan, tsaka yung anak kong bunso. Nagbisita galing sa kanyang, how do you call that? Deployment. Meron pala ditong malaking lake sa Naval Base. Beautiful. Ayaw sila sa pulang truck. Sabi ko, give me 2 minutes. I'll just go take video. This beautiful view. Tagal ko na sa Texas, magwa8 taon na. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Magagulat ka din Ang dami pala dito sa Texas, mga magagandang tourism, mga magandang view talaga. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Dito kami sa Naval Base, Fort Worth. Okay, kayo nang may sagot yan, makatama ng sagot. Meron palipad dyan, nag-rush siya.
My buddy sent me, he's there right now.
Nandito kami sa commissary. Yan. Grocery ng mga military family and military. Nasaan na ba yung anak ko? Iniwan ako dito.
Oh look, that's an F-35.
Yeah.
Oh, they know that.
Or that could be a Raptor. That could be an F-22.
Pink kami. It's okay, just put it down there in the ramp. There you go. Meron kaming disabled sa sasakyan. Yan, magsha-shopping kami ng pagkain. Ayaw na sa bahay, naboboard na siya. So, yes. Gusto ko lang i-video kung anong itsura. Alright, Daddy, you're gonna have to do this for now, and you're gonna get the electric when we get there.
Do they have electric?
Yes.
They do.
We just don't know how to turn it on.
Well, it would look weird if I tried to take it out here because I don't think it's supposed to.
So,
I asked them if I could, they said yes.
I'm gonna lock it.
So, do you want me to
Come on, you can.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You have to, Daddy. You have to hold on to the cars. Let me get the one. Do we need the crutches? Yeah. It's off. You took it. Daddy, just try to hold on to the cars. No, really. Give me your phone. Oh, look it there. Good. I got it. There's your crutches. Bait ng anak ko. Pakabait na buntis na bata. Okay, I have to give you space first so he can down. 1, 2.
Get it?
I can crutches not. You're gonna have to deal with that for now.
You think you're gonna need the crutch?
Grocery ng mga military family and military. Nasaan na ba yung anak ko? Iniwan ako dito.